welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you all one of my favorite hot chocolates. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna share the benefits. So let's get in. So this is how it comes, well packed as you can see. And now let's get unboxing done here. Let's get in. So yeah guys, this is how it came in. It's hot chocolate with ashwagandha and it came in this well packaged box as you can see, all sealed up. And now I'm gonna open it. So Auric has other things also like masala tea, gourmet coffee, but I ordered hot chocolate with ashwagandha because as we know winter season is around the corner almost. And here it is. I loved how it came all protected as you can see. Now I got this first little pouch. I'm gonna open it later on. First we'll see this little spoon I got, as you can see. So cute. It's made of wood as you can see, and I'm totally loving it. It's really gorgeous. And now I'm gonna open the hot chocolate. So here it is, Auric Hot chocolate with ashwagandha. So yeah guys, it is a luxurious dark chocolate powder from Indonesia enriched with ashwagandha. And ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic super herbs that builds strength, reduce stress and anxiety, controls blood sugar levels and improves quality of sleep. It is equally beneficial for kids as well and improves memory. It is antioxidant rich also, super tasty and great aroma. You can see all the ingredients on the back also and how to make it. The best part of this package is this eco-friendly Kulhad. As you can see, it's literally so beautiful. When I opened it, I was like, damn, so good for the environment. And do you know that with every order from Auric, you get free cooler made from coconut shells and also a wooden spoon. Respect for farmers and artisans. This is so good, guys. As you can see, the quality is super, super good, well polished, and so easy to use. I'm going to show you how to use it. So guys, this is how the spoon and the cooler looks. You can see the quality is super, super, super good. So the next thing which amazed me is this, the fragrance, everything. I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, these are beautiful scented sticks. As you can see, these are Auric incense sticks, and these smell so beautifully, and the fragrance was literally amazing. So yeah, here are some cards. Show us some love on Instagram, Auric Ayurveda, and clean your aura with the aroma from the temples. These literally smell heavenly. So this is how it looks like, and there's a cute little stand. This is a stand, and here are the sticks. You can see, and I'm gonna burn it and enjoy with it my hot chocolate. So yeah guys, this is all the items you receive, and let's open the hot chocolate. When I opened it, it was like wow, wow, the smell, the everything, it was just so beautiful. And when I opened it, I just wanted to make it. As you can see, the color, it's literally luxurious dark chocolate from Indonesia enriched with ashwagandha. I'm loving it. You see the texture here? It's literally beautiful. It's perfect for hot and cold milk and for everyone, including children. I'm loving it and I'm gonna make it right now to see how beautiful the texture is. It's super affordable and look at the quantity. Really, really. I'm really liking the quality of the product. So yeah guys, let's make a glass of hot chocolate. So yeah guys, making hot chocolate at home sometimes too hectic, As you know, you'll get all these ingredients in just one pack, and I'm loving it. So to make it, first add warm milk, or you need to warm the cold milk as I'm doing. You can see I'm gonna warm it, and then I'm gonna add a spoon of hot chocolate. The best part about this Auric hot chocolate pack is you get all healthy ingredients in just one pack. I'm loving it. Now I'm just gonna add the 1 spoon of hot chocolate and I'm gonna mix it. Mix it well, there should be no lumps. And add a sweetener or jaggery according to your taste. Mix it well. As you can see, it's now ready. And I'm not gonna pour it in the Kulhad I got, and with this little cute spoon. Now I just wanted it a little bit frothy. As you can see, it looks super good. So my hot chocolate is almost ready. I'm just gonna burn this incense stick with a matchstick. Here we go. And yep, almost ready to have it. As you can see, now I'm just gonna let it burn, and yep, it's ready. And now I'm gonna enjoy my hot chocolate. It looks so good and it is delicious. So here is it. Cheers, guys. And also, guys, purchase Auric's Club 500 membership for a lifetime membership of hot beverages. Get Auric tea, coffee, and hot chocolate at lowest prices. What are you waiting for? Grab yours now from their website, or you can also get it from Amazon. Don't wait for it, buy immediately. So yeah, guys, now I'm just gonna enjoy my hot chocolate. Cheers. It's super yum, and I do recommend this. Hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.